So, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you how you can install Kali Linux on an iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to go on App Store and search about UTM SE, and you can install this. Okay, it says that is for retro classics, but you can run also multiple VMs. You can also run Windows 11 or Windows 10, but keep in mind that that is not going to be really good performance because Apple doesn't allow directly the JIT or just-in-time emulation, but it's going to virtualize and it's not going to use the resources of your device as efficient. And because the iPhones, depending on what you have, on my end is 15 Pro Max, you won't be able to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go to my other camera right here, guys. So here we have, this is my 15 Pro Max. Okay, so you can just go download pre-built from here, and you can install also Arch and all the other Linux distributions. For Windows, even XP, you have to do more manipulations, which is not worth. I have tried, and the speed even here is not going to be a good because it doesn't allow for just-in-time emulations. Okay, after installing your desired one, you can just go here, downloads. You have to just tap from here zip file from the just a bit. So yes, you just have to do just tap on top of the zip, and here it is. Like, that's so easy. Okay, so let's go with Kali. So let's go run the Kali Linux. Depending on your RAM that you have in your device, if you have a 15 Pro Max, you can calmly allocate 4 gigs. But if you have a 14 or older, or even 15 series, not 15 Pro, but 15, only 15 series, you are not going to be able to keep more than that. Okay, just keep in mind. So you can change the system. You can go here. As you see, your device has 6078 megabytes of memory. That is because iOS doesn't allow more. For cores, I will say it's better to leave at default. You can also add JIT case. I say just add 1000. Okay, if you want, you don't need to add at all. Okay, so let's tap start. So just, this is, by the way, the Kali Linux. You can do also Arch. I'm telling you the Kali Linux how to do it because, well, it's just much simpler for starters. So yeah, guys, let's open it because I had something right now. Sorry. So yes, here is going. So you can get even a keyboard and a mouse for it if you want, because like this is not going to be usable. But yes. By the way, I hope you enjoyed the video I did for my new M3 MacBook Pro. This is the M3 Pro MacBook Pro. Okay, it's a bit harder to emulate. Okay, so yes, here it's going. So by the way, you have that there. So by the way, it's not root, but it's Kali. Okay, just put it here. Okay guys, the video stopped for some kind of reason. I don't know what the camera had, but I was explaining there. It's better to use a mouse right now, just to see something. It's not detecting it. So yes, here the password, and that is Kali, as I was saying before. Okay. It's okay. So the Kali is the username and also the passcode. So here we have now running. Okay, this is on UTM. By the way, if you have an older device, your phone might really not handle it as good. Just keep in mind. You can see how slow on the A17 Pro Bionic this is. So yeah, I just found this mouse and keyboard. I had them laying around. So here you can see that is working. You can use touch input. Okay guys, a quick refresh on the video. Well, you can zoom out a bit because it might not work as expected. But here you have the Kali Linux running on the 15 Pro Max. It's fully working. So thank you for watching. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. See you on the next video.